Just imagine somehow a lot of things start to settle in on its own. Somehow, without you spending hours of communication, you're understood. Somehow, what you expect from your loved ones is automatically happening. Somehow, obstacles that come in your situations in life don't come in front of you anymore. That's not magic show. Okay? Magic shows and spirituality don't go together. Spirituality is all about subtleties. Everything fundamental subtly in the universe that can reaffirm to you possibilities are there. Hope is there. Change can happen to the better every single time. And you can be in control of it. That is when happiness begins.